Dhabi doesn't want the pandemic to keep going on. They want it to finish it off. But right now also the cases are lower. That's because of Abu Dhabi being strict. Abu Dhabi is an Emirates where the president of the country of United Arab Emirates lives there. He is the ruler of UAE, the president. But when I say ruler, he is the ruler of Abu Dhabi, and he's the ruler of Dubai is different. So when he controls everything, he controls only for Abu Dhabi when he's ruling Abu Dhabi. If it is UAE, then all the 7 rulers of all the 7 Emirates, they take a call together. Okay, if it's Abu Dhabi, they're controlling it because they don't want everybody who are in Dubai, because Dubai has opened up clubbing, popping, everything. So the cases are much higher here. So they don't want you to take it to Abu Dhabi and do more back for them. So that's the reason they are controlling that. They will definitely ease off because 1st of October we are starting the expo. So when we start the expo, we are having it at the border of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Why? Is because we have to control the passengers traveling from other part of the world. So one airport cannot manage it. So we need both the airports. So Abu Dhabi airport also, it is 65 kilometers to the expo, and from Dubai airport it is 63 kilometers. So it's centrally located for people to use both the airports. So that's the reason Abu Dhabi is going to open from 1st, but you guys came a little early, so we have to follow their rules and regulations. But nothing that they are very strict, they are very nice. You have to listen to them what they say because they are following the rules and regulations of the country. But some of them don't like listening to them, they keep arguing, then you have to head back home. So that's the reason when they say fill up a form, just fill up a form, take your stamp and get back to the bus. Okay? So, and if you talk to them nicely, they are nice to you. I always say if you are nice and if you need respect, you need to respect them. Yes. No, that's the reason I take you today.
Oh yeah, we are.
It's valid for 48 hours.
Oh,
the
so
PCR test, yeah, all are good. All are good.
Okay.
But more than PCR tests, they will ask you a vaccination card, whether you are vaccinated or not. The PCR, we know that you have a sticker also on your passport, right?
Yes.
So they will check that. That's not to worry. So PCR, for us, we do group every week. So we have to do a PCR every week. Every week. Because we have an app here. Come on, I want to see. Abu Dhabi is one. Dubai. Sharjah. I can't share the price. Somebody is recording me, you will not get the price. Okay, I'm going to tell you now. But when we head back, if you tell me at least 4. At least 4, no. At least 4, I have a price for you.
Qatar.
No, Qatar is not there. I'm going to tell you right now. The capital is Abu Dhabi. Then is Dubai. Then is Sharjah. She's copying. Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, and Al Quwain.
So long.
7, yeah, but tongue twisting. Just 4 if you remember. In the evening, you'll get something from me. I carry a lot of price. Don't worry. I'm not joking. I'm serious about it. Yeah. So remember, I want you to listen to me. Some of them keep asking, Shalini, is there a Wi-Fi on the bus? No. If I have Wi-Fi, you would never listen to me. Never. That's the only thing we never have Wi-Fi. Because all the other countries, I think they have Wi-Fi on the bus. So they are all happy. UAE, no Wi-Fi.
Các bạn, đây là chỗ checkpoint của Abu Dhabi nha các bạn. Từ Dubai á, mình qua bên cái phía bên Abu Dhabi này á, mình chơi á, mình phải qua cái biên giới của họ. This is the checkpoint between Dubai and Abu Dhabi. We are going to visit Abu Dhabi today, and we
one of the largest emirates among the 7 emirates, covering almost 80% of the area of the country. The rest 20% is Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, Al Quwain and Fujairah. One Emirates covers the whole area, this is 80. And it mostly occupies 30% are people where they live, and rest is all empty desert. Yeah, if you do a desert safari in Abu Dhabi, definitely people who don't throw up will throw up, because they have very high sand dunes. Very nice. And plus in Abu Dhabi, when you say Abu Dhabi is one of the Emirates, there are 3 more cities in Abu Dhabi, which is called Al Ain and Al Dhafra, which is very, very nice, and we call it a garden city because there is more of greenery in Al Ain. Al Ain is greenery is because there is natural water. Here we don't have natural water, we have desalinated water from the sea. When you say desalinated water, we get seawater treated and then we get it in our houses. But still, when we have desalinated water, everybody says it is safe to drink. Yes, but I consider not safe to drink the tap water. It's because the authorities, the building authorities, the apartments where you're staying, they don't clean up the tank sometimes. Because I realized that by having filtering system in my house, every month I need to clean up my filter because they are like black. We have all man-made islands. Abu Dhabi has 700 square kilometers sea line area, coastline area, where you will see all the islands. When I say island, there are small islands also. But during summer, we say 200 plus is because the water dries up and there are more islands which are shown on the sea area. So as we pass the Ferrari World and the Louvre Museum, we are going to cross all the islands. So Saadiyat Island is one of the islands that we are going, and we are also going to see the island which is called the Yas Island. The name Yas is actually come from a tribe called the Banias tribe, the original tribe of Abu Dhabi. These are the people who actually lived in Abu Dhabi, the Banias tribe. So it's called Yas Island. But Yas Island has Ferrari theme park, they have Warner Brothers, they have actually the water park, they have the Formula 1 racetrack. Formula 1 race happens here in the month of November. We actually close the season, but this year I think all over the world they are not having the Formula 1, so I doubt we will also have this year. But we are having a blast this year because of the expo, and also this is the 50th year of the Federation of the United Arab Emirates. So it's going to be a big celebration in the country. See, this is the fastest roller coaster, what you are seeing on your left hand side, with a speed of 260 kilometers an hour. Yeah, it has a nice drop, and it's really fun to see this from the balcony. If anybody wants to do, we have a fast track which you can do at least twice in 15 minutes. So this whole theme park inside, and it is connected with a mall where you can go to the mall. Either if you don't want to see Ferrari World, they have all the speed rides, all the Ferrari car rides, everything inside. Plus they have a nice lovely showroom with all different models of Ferrari cars. But if you want to go in, you need to buy a ticket.
Ở đây họ rất là kỹ nè các bạn. Vào một chỗ theme park thôi, một chỗ chơi trò chơi thôi, mà họ vẫn check cái chích ngừa của mình và cái giấy mà mình đã qua bên cái biên giới mà mình đã được đóng dấu đó các bạn.
Kasi yung doon tayo magpupunta tayo ng naghanap ng parking, yung oras natin pumasok.
The bathrooms are there, na?
Trời ơi, cái này là cái phim thoát thôi mà nó làm như là cái gì đó mình vô mà nó xét kỳ kỹ dễ sợ luôn.
Không mua gì hết.
Nó không có chụp hình, nó không cho chụp hình ngay chỗ cái đó nữa chứ.
Vậy hả?
Chỗ đó đó, ngay chỗ mà nó xét giấy á. Dễ sợ. Khó khăn.
Em có cần cái đồ mà cầm không?
Em có. Nó phải chắc bóp rồi. Sao?
Chụp hình con lạc đà này đẹp lắm đâu. Give me one không? Give me one.
Bao nhiêu một cái chị?
3 đồng cái nè, cũng được.
Em lấy vài cái đi.
Dubai nè, cái này được nè. Này không lấy.
Give me no problem.
Ê, cái này đẹp nè Trinh nè.
Cái đó nhiêu vậy?
Không á. $3. $5. Cái này đẹp hơn nè.
Anh lấy cho em cái đó đi. Me too. I want one too.
Tour half a day tomorrow.
Who's cat?
Abu Dhabi is one of the richest emirates. They have so much of oil, lot of oil, 2.3 million barrels of oil every day.